What's up, y'all? Just giving y'all a seedling update. I have crimson sweet watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew. My black diamond watermelons haven't sprouted yet. I got some corn over here growing, and I have some cabbage. These are my sunflowers. My green beans ain't did nothing yet. Those are my cucumbers. And over here are my squash plants. Those are the crookneck squash, and those are broccolis right there in the little. It looks like my zucchini hasn't sprouted yet. And these are my peppers. I have peppers growing out in the yard, but I just did some backups because I'm impatient and it wasn't growing fast enough for me. So I just went ahead and planted some more because I have been having insects eating away at my garden and some of my seedlings did not last. So I just had to replant some things. Just giving y'all guys an update on my seedlings. Thank you for watching and have a great day.